Hey guys, we're back with another video, and my hair looks awful because tomorrow's school, so I'm getting my hair ready. And then Chloe, her awesome hair, and we're going to be doing today.
Eat a spoon?
Yeah. She has to eat a spoonful of cornstarch. If you haven't seen the video, have you seen the video where I did it? It was amazing. I made cornstarch in my freaking mouth.
You made cornstarch? Oobleck.
I made oobleck. I cannot talk today.
No, you don't get it.
We're getting our room remodeled. Yay.
We're not doing it either.
No.
Ow! Stop! Like, you know, what the heck?
I'm sorry, guys. Why'd you grab my my stuff?
Go see if anyone's in the bathroom right now. In case I need to run in there. Her dad's in there.
No one's in here.
Move in case I need to run.
No one's in there.
Or let's just put it that way.
She probably will.
Okay, move that chair over there. No. I need to run after I get this in my mouth. Stop! Move the chair over there. Right.
I want you to drink a little thing of water as soon as you put it in there.
Stop, Addie.
Okay, guys.
Move. I have to run if I get it in my mouth.
Oh my god. So I'm gonna stand back here. They're over there.
See me spit out the corn.
And I'm over here. All by myself. So this is what my hair looks like, bro. Look. Her hair looks a lot better than mine. She did.
My hair looks a lot better than both.
Look at this. It's amazing, isn't it?
I look like a black person. Sorry, but still.
Sorry, if you're a black person, or I'm not trying to be racist, but you're colored and you're watching us. We're sorry. So now she's going to get a spoonful.
Look how thick it is. People eat this for their meals.
Yep.
You want to go give me a spit bowl?
What? No. You didn't. I didn't use my spit bowl. I promise you won't be able to use it. Okay. Oh, guys, you have no idea how happy I am for this day to come. I am so
We've been
happy.
wanting to do this for about a week now. No, 5 days.
Look at my. Look, she put a ribbon in my hair.
Because you wanted it in there.
Okay, come on. I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna move this because this is very valuable. This puss.
Look.
I'm gonna put it right over there. Wait. You can spit all over that.
Ew.
Okay. Do it, Chloe. Okay. Let's see. Let me see. Okay. Let's see. Hey!
It out.
I ate more than that. I ate more than that.
I don't care what you do.
Okay, go. Eat it now. Shove it in that mouth hole of yours. You have to.
Wait, I want to taste it. No.
Don't stick your finger in my cornstarch. Where's my cornstarch ready?
I'm going to go ahead and start running here a minute. You have to run over there.
Okay. Now I want you to, as soon as you stick it in your mouth.
I don't want to
Go.
stick it in my mouth.
I will stick it in your mouth for you.
Okay, hold on. Okay, at least give this 5 thumbs up for me doing this. Amy. No, 1. 1.
2, 3. You have to do the whole thing in one time. You can't just do little by little like I didn't do that. I bet subscribers want you to eat the whole thing.
Go where I'm going to shove it in your mouth.
Go! I didn't even take this long. It's been 4 minutes.
And what you've done.
Go.
1,
2, 3. Look at the camera. Wait, wait, let me see. You're covered in cornstarch. Oh God.
dry.
Exactly. It's like the cinnamon challenge, but worse.
Actually, gross, like it's
Look at
wet
that.
in your mouth.
Look at that. Look at that. Like, at least you didn't make a big mess like I did. This is her big mess right here. And the stuff. Look at your shirt. Wait, look at her face. Oh, God.
We need to make Aaron do this.
Aaron, you're going to be doing this next. She's fine with it. So, in next video, you're gonna see Aaron eat cornstarch and Zach Taylor cornstarch is not corn and honey and corn. Okay, honey. I'll tell you, this is what it is.
Powdered.
Here, honey.
Very thick powder.
Here, honey, let me show you what it is.
I bet everybody.
Honey, this is what it is. This is what it's just powder. Okay, honey, that's what it is. So it's not. Comment down below if you like my hair like this. Mine and Chloe's hair.
I hate it.
So our hair is awesome. Okay, we're gonna end this video right here, guys. Comment down below who's your. Comment down below if you want Aaron to do it, and also comment down below if you like our hair, and hit that subscribe button and hit that subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and and a like button and. Never mind, nothing. Never mind.
You cannot have a cookie.
So we're gonna end this video right here. Bye, guys.